What if one of the world's most reliable scooters begins life under thousands of tons of crushing force? This incredible journey starts. Temperature control is critical. Cooling too quickly or too slowly can permanently weaken the metal.
Every major component receives a permanent identity. This tiny code follows the scooter throughout its entire life.
Modern fiber lasers cut within fractions of a millimeter, producing cleaner edges and reducing wasted material. Even a tiny bending error could affect alignment later. Every angle is measured to fractions of a degree. Before welding begins, every component is locked into an exact position, measured in tenths of a millimeter. Thousands of precise welds give the frame its legendary strength. Consistency matters more than speed. Every weld is measured before production continues. Precision now prevents costly problems later. Grinding isn't only cosmetic. Smooth welds improve coating adhesion and reduce stress concentrations. Paint quality begins with cleanliness. Even invisible contamination can ruin the final finish.
A phosphate coating creates the perfect microscopic foundation for corrosion protection.
Electrocoating reaches areas that spray paint never could, protecting the frame from corrosion for years. Controlled heat permanently cures the protective coating into an exceptionally durable barrier. Painting can only begin once every surface reaches the perfect temperature. The first paint layer isn't about color, it's about long-term durability. Only after this flawless foundation can the scooter's signature finish begin. This controlled bake permanently bonds the primer to the steel. A flawless foundation is essential before any color is applied. Even a few degrees can affect paint quality. Precision continues long after the welding is finished. Electrostatic painting dramatically reduces overspray while creating an incredibly even finish. Before baking, excess solvent must slowly evaporate. Rushing this step could ruin the finish. This final bake transforms liquid paint into a hard, durable automotive finish designed to withstand years of weather. Every painted frame is inspected before assembly begins. Even the smallest defect is rejected.
While the frame is complete, the scooter's heart is only beginning to take shape.
Each engine casing begins as liquid aluminum forced into hardened steel molds under enormous pressure. Seconds after solidifying, the casting already resembles part of a future Honda engine. Computer-controlled machining creates surfaces accurate to only a few microns. Hidden oil passages keep the engine lubricated throughout thousands of kilometers of operation. Even microscopic metal chips must disappear before engine assembly can begin.
Every measurement is digitally compared with the original engineering blueprint.
The crankshaft must survive millions of engine revolutions without failure.
These polished journals will eventually rotate thousands of times every minute with almost no friction. Next, the engine's moving internals finally come together. Even a tiny imbalance can shorten engine life. This crankshaft is balanced to incredibly tight tolerances before it ever spins inside an engine.
Every moving connection inside the engine must operate with almost effortless precision for years.
This rotating assembly will eventually convert every explosion inside the cylinder into smooth forward motion. The piston must be incredibly light, yet strong enough to survive millions of combustion cycles.
Every groove must be machined with extreme accuracy to maintain compression and reduce wear.
These thin rings seal combustion pressure while controlling oil with remarkable efficiency. The cylinder must perfectly match the piston, with tolerances measured in mere microns. This microscopic crosshatch pattern helps retain oil,
reducing friction during every engine revolution. Every component now fits together with astonishing precision, creating the engine's compression chamber.
Now the engine finally begins to resemble a complete power unit.
Airflow through the cylinder head plays a major role in fuel efficiency and performance.
Each valve must seal perfectly thousands of times every minute once the engine starts.
Correct tightening sequence ensures an even seal across the combustion chamber.
Perfect valve timing allows the engine to breathe efficiently while maintaining legendary Honda reliability. The engine has passed its first inspection, but it still hasn't powered a single scooter. In the next stage, this precision-built engine finally meets the chassis. For the first time, two manufacturing journeys become one. The precision-built engine is about to meet its permanent home. Every mounting bolt receives an electronically verified torque value. Reliability starts with repeatable precision. The suspension absorbs thousands of road impacts while keeping the scooter stable and comfortable.
Smooth steering begins with perfectly seated bearings, capable of handling years of constant movement.
The steering system must feel effortless while remaining stable at every speed.
Stopping safely is just as important as accelerating efficiently.
Balanced wheels reduce vibration, improve handling, and increase tire life.
Power can finally reach the road once the rear wheel is connected to the drivetrain.
Modern scooters contain dozens of electrical connections, each routed for maximum reliability.
Every electronic module is digitally matched to ensure flawless communication throughout the scooter. Every fuel connection must remain perfectly sealed through years of vibration and changing temperatures.
Clean air is just as important as clean fuel for long engine life.
The exhaust doesn't just reduce noise, it also helps the engine breathe efficiently while meeting strict emissions standards.
The mechanical masterpiece begins disappearing beneath precisely fitted body panels. For the first time, the machine finally looks like a Honda scooter. But appearance means nothing until every system proves itself under rigorous testing. Every drop of fluid is measured automatically. Accuracy today means reliability for thousands of future journeys. Before the engine ever starts, its electronic brain receives factory-calibrated software tailored specifically to this scooter. After hundreds of manufacturing operations, the engine finally comes alive for the very first time. Hundreds of electronic signals are verified in seconds. Every value must match Honda's engineering standards. Stopping performance is measured scientifically, not by feel. Every brake system must perform identically. Even tiny alignment errors can affect rider confidence. Precision is verified before a customer ever takes the handlebars. Efficiency isn't just about fuel economy. Clean combustion also protects the environment. Heavy rain should never interrupt reliability. Every seal must withstand relentless water exposure.
Mechanical perfection deserves flawless appearance. Nothing escapes the final inspection team. These temporary protections preserve the flawless finish until the scooter reaches its new owner.
The manufacturing process may be complete, but protecting the scooter during transport is equally important.
From raw steel and aluminum to a world-class scooter, every shipment carries months of engineering expertise. Every completed scooter is digitally tracked from factory floor to dealership. From glowing raw metal to a machine trusted by millions, every step demanded precision, discipline, and engineering.